Do you know what the sizes I have taken for this house? Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is the 3 40 feet containers. The total area I have taken is width is 24 feet, in meter 7.31 meter, and the length is 40 feet, in meter 12.19 meter. So in the front we have outdoor sitting area here. The size of the outdoor sitting area is 6 feet 10 inches into 8 feet 4 inches, in meter 2.08 into 2.54 meter. You can see here the sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area here. The size of this area is 13 feet 4 inches into 16 feet 4 inches, in meter 4.06 into 4.97 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and 2 chairs. And we have a dining counter with 4 chairs, and we have kitchen counter with burner, sink, and refrigerator arrangement, and TV unit on the front wall. We have a wash basin here and 3 large size window for ventilation of this area. After that we'll go on right side. So we have workplace here. The size of the workplace is 9 feet 8 inches into 8 feet 6 inches, in meter 2.94 into 2.59 meter. You can see here the furniture placement, the table and chairs also, and we have separate door here. After that we will go inside. So in the center we have 4 feet, in meter 1.21 meter wide passage here, and on the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet 8 inches into 6 feet 9 inches, in meter 1.42 into 2.05 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area. And after that we will go inside. So on the right side we have kids room here. The size of the kids room is 9 feet 8 inches into 11 feet, in meter 2.94 into 3.35 meter. You can see here the bunk bed and also wardrobe on the front wall, and we have a study table with 2 chairs and large size window for ventilation of this room, and we have attached washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 10 feet 10 inches, in meter 1.21 into 3.30 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go on left side. So we have bedroom number 2 here. The size of the bedroom is 9 feet into 10 feet 9 inches, in meter 2.74 into 3.27 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit arrangement, and a large size window for ventilation of this room, and we have attached washroom plus water closet here with this room. The size of the washroom plus water closet is 4 feet into 6 feet 9 inches, in meter 1.21 into 2.05 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside. So we have bedroom number 3 here. The size of the bedroom is 9 feet 8 inches into 10 feet 10 inches, in meter 2.94 into 3.30 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and TV unit on the front wall, and we have a wardrobe here and large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have washroom plus water closet attached with this room. The size of the washroom is 9 feet into 4 feet, in meter 2.74 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. This is the 3 bedroom container house here. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video, share with your friends. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.